Hi, this is Jason Engel reporting from my office here in Asheville, North Carolina. It's February the 10th, 2010 on a cold and blustery day here in Asheville. And just as a side note, for those of you looking to move to Asheville, this is an atypical winter for us. This is not the way that it normally is with an Asheville seasonal high in the wintertime of about 45 degrees. We usually get about 10 inches of snow total for the wintertime. So this is well above what our normal averages are as far as snowfall is concerned this winter. So don't let that deter you if you're looking to move to a place with a moderate climate. This is the January market report for the Asheville real estate market. If you are looking for a hard copy of this report, you can get it on my blog site, which is viewashevillehomes.blogspot.com. There's a link there at the top of the page. You can click on it and print off a hard copy of the report. Just a couple of things to report for January. Certainly the weather has really hampered the buying market this January. Lots of snow, lots of cold weather. So despite that, we are up from last January. We put in about 105 sales here in Buncombe County, as opposed to about 85 sales last year this time. That's certainly well below the average, and it's certainly well below where we want to be. And again, that magic number that I've reported on before is about 200 residential home sales, and that's really what we're shooting for. So until we get there, things aren't going to be back to normal, but we're headed in the right direction with 105 closed out in January. One of the largest things to report about the market in January is that fully half of those homes sold, 53% of those homes sold in the market here in January, sold under the $200,000 price point. So we still have a lot of first-time home buyers taking advantage of the market right now, trying to take advantage of the tax credit. Certainly that's the largest portion of the market. The high-end market is still slow, but it's picked up over the last couple of months. Last month we had about 11 homes over the $1 million price range. This month, 4 homes over the $1 million price range. That's not a lot, but certainly in January that's a lot to speak of. So, we're seeing some activity in the high range. Certainly the low range is where all of the activity is at. Also, list to sell price ratio down to about 94%, and I'll delve into that in much greater detail in the One Big Thing, which is another video that I put out every month. So check that out too. It's on my blog site as well. There's a tab at the top of the page for that. Outside of that, we're seeing a lot of activity in the east and the west. So if you're looking for a home and you're looking for a deal, that seems to be the place that most people are focusing their energy right now. The eastern part of Asheville, right along the Haywood Road corridor, which is what we call the West Asheville corridor there, has been really coming up since the early 2000s. Went through a lull a couple of years ago, but really coming back as far as the deal is concerned. And East Asheville, out in places like Otine, if you haven't looked out there, Otine, Riceville Road area, those are places you might really want to focus on deals right now. So a lot of activity out there, most of the activity under the $200,000 price range. The median purchase price of a home in January dropped from about $217,000 last year to about $190,000 this year. So that's a pretty significant drop. Again, precipitated mostly by a lot of first-time home buyers in the market really taking advantage of that price range. So again, a lot of activity, a lot of savings to be had out there. So if you're looking for a home in Asheville, at least for the next month and a half, I think there's going to be an opportunity to really capture the market in a good way. If you want more information about the Asheville market, you can certainly contact me directly. My contact information is at either end of this video, or you can go to my blog at viewashevillehomes.blogspot.com. Don't forget to check out our website as well. It's got a great search feature there, and that's ashevillehomebuyer.com. Thanks a lot.